Dude, today we got Gutters Unlimited at our house. Let's go see what they're doing. Alrighty guys, they have arrived. Everything's looking good. Let's go give you a little tour. See, everything's looking good. Right over here looking good. Got them working over here. Doing a great job, man. Being great and efficient. Very good. Come over here. See all this. This was all the garbage. See how dirty this was? See how dirty? Now they're replacing it. Look how nice. So nice, guys. Definitely check them out if you get the chance. Got the gutters coming soon. It's pretty exciting. Over here. Good angle right here. See how the old stuff looked. Here's what it looks like before they put it fully on. So yeah guys, you can just see everything's going good over here. We got this, and yeah, we highly recommend them. You know, you can see how it looks halfway done. And then yeah guys, pretty cool. Let you guys see everything, how they're doing it. Alright, see they put the old gutters, the old fascia and Soffit down, and there's the new one. Pretty cool how it's looking. Yeah, you can see them over there. Really did a good job, guys. We highly recommend them. You know, bunch of hard workers. So yeah, if you don't know about them, check them out. You'll be super happy. Thanks for watching.